Okay, let's try an example of subtracting mixed fractions. So mixed fractions are fractions that have wholes and parts. So they're mixed. There's two different components to it. Now, what's special about these mixed fractions is that they're also unlike fractions, which means that they have different denominators, 4 and 12. So what we have to do is we have to find a common denominator between 4 and 12. That's our first step. Find a common denominator. So 3 over 4 and 7 over 12. What's a common denominator I can use? 12. Okay, so 4 times what gives me 12? 4 times 3. So I have to do the same thing to the top, 3 times 3. Okay, now 12 I don't have to touch because this is already over 12. So let's rewrite our question. 2, 3 times 3 is 9 over 4 times 3 is 12 minus 1 and 7 over 12. Okay, next thing, do the parts first. So don't subtract the wholes yet because you might need them. So what we're going to do is we're going to subtract the parts first. Now, can I do 9 twelfths minus 7 twelfths? 9 twelfths minus 7 twelfths. I can. 9 minus 7 is 2 over 12. Now I can do, that's the parts, now I can do the wholes. 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 equals 1. So now, total answer, I've got, for my parts, I had 2 twelfths, and for my wholes, I had 1. So that is 1 and 2 twelfths. Now, I can simplify this because these both divide by 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1, so I got 1 whole, and 1 over 12 divided by 2 is 6.